Hey guys, Casey Bridges here with CaseyCan Home Services. We started this business for any kind of outdoor service need. You give us a call, irrigation, drainage, brick and mortar, flower beds, we can take care of it. CaseyCan Home Services, 601-896-7800. Hey guys, Casey Bridges here. We are replacing some pool coping that has popped up, come loose. It's a little dangerous for the grandchildren. So we are going to pull it up, whatever's loose, put it back down and re-mortar the joints. Hey guys, Casey Bridges here. I just wanted to speak with Miss Kathy, let her tell you we took care of her pool issues today. She had a lot of coping that was just falling off, dangerous for the grandchildren.
Dangerous for me.
For her, stepping on it, moving. She didn't know who to call, and her son told us to ask me could we help, and of course I said yeah, let's take a chance. So we got it taken care of, and are you happy? And
so far I'm happy. You've been a blessing to me because it's something I've had to worry about for several years with it. I mean, it's been 12 years since we had it done, and it really looks good.
Well,
it
thank
really
you.
does.
Thanks for trusting us, and
Okay.
we will follow up with her and make sure she's still happy, hopefully in 3 to 6 months. So y'all follow along to see that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ya terminamos todo ahora, ya listo. Como ven, la alberca CaseyCan para todos.
All right guys, now that you've seen everything that we can do, if you need anything, give us a call, 601-896-7800. We're here to help. Y'all have a blessed day.